Jagore migao mar somo leka Kenya olol tua wacho ni migao no osechako chenro mar nono skunde mag sekondar duto mapachoka mar yango kaka mago mag C1 magin mago madongo nyaka C4 magin mago manie ngas mar gwenge. Weche jagoro no biro mana e kinde mag skunde duto mane ngas mamalo kadho e chandruoge mar dogruok mar jopuonjre makelo peka mar tije chenro mapile mag skunde go. Koloso e skundi ya wuoyi ma Kolonya manie kar chung'od bura mateso North e kaunti ma Busia olol tua kwayo mondo jotelo obed kod dimbruok e seche ma chenro no iketo e tim.
Sasa wacha niwaeleze. First of all, we have already commenced assessment of all schools in Kenya. In fact, all the regional directors of education, county directors of education, sub-county directors, together with the Teacher Service Commission, we have commenced an assessment of all the schools to be able to recategorize them so that those that qualify to be C1, C2, C3, and so on and so forth will be placed accordingly. Because the Ministry of Education is a ministry of order and discipline. So we don't want a situation where we keep on piecemeal. We go here, we announce. We go here, we announce. We are not going to do that because we are very disciplined and we are very professional and we must do a professional work.
Yeah, we deserve a C1. This is a C1 school. You look at the infrastructure, we are a C1. Even you look at the notable alumni that we have, for example, Ambassador Babu Namwamba. This is a C1 school. When you walk around, it's a C1. Even when you look at our parents, it's C1. Our results is C1. Our meals is C1. Our